A man slows down and stops the car. Looks like that sign fell over. Let's fix it. Sometimes it's the small acts of kindness that can make a big difference. They work together to replant the street signs securely. These two men didn't just drive by. They took the time to stop, fix the sign, and ensure the road is safe for others. All set. Much better now. The fixed sign stands tall. Not all heroes wear capes. Some ride motorcycles. It may seem like a small act, just a few stones on the road. But to them, it's a chance to make the world just a little safer. Because sometimes, the little things make the biggest difference. Watch how they transform this damaged road into a smooth ride. They remove all the dirt and debris to ensure a perfect fix. Time to fill it. They pour fresh concrete to patch up the hole, making it stronger than ever. Roads repaired, drives restored. Be the reason someone smiles or rides safely today. The world needs more people like